Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhinoceros tutorial how to draw polyline. For example, I will use this top view and you can maximize. To create polyline, you can type polyline, press enter and specify for start point. I will click in here. Press shift buttons to use the ortho mode so you can create in vertical and horizontal. I will move to the top here. You can press again shift button hold to move into horizontal, click at this point, or you can move to the left and set for the length, like I will set into 100 and press 100 and press enter. So to be automatically create polyline with 100 point, or you can cancel. Okay. You can change again for distance into 20. So this is 20 and click to apply. I will create again the distance to the bottom here about 50, and you can press shift button to move into vertical or horizontal. If you don't, you can press enter like this. Okay, that's it for basic Rhinoceros tutorial how to draw polyline. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.